Hello from ChinaAsia.com. This is Mark Josie. Today I'm going to shoot the Canadian whiskey. What do I mean by shooting? It's by using the Daisy Red Ryder. As you can see, my Red Ryder here is different. I got a laser sight, okay, laser, and so I'm going to test and see how many shots it takes to take down the whiskey. Okay, are you with me here? Let me try. Put it in a plastic bag it up, just in case the glass fall over the place. And now, let me go to the target range. Okay, as you can see, the bottle is here. And now we'll see how many shots it takes to bust this thing out. Okay. Ready? First shot. Number one. Aiming. And, of course, our laser sight. Second one. Number two. Is it down yet? Number three.
Nope.
Let's try number three. I don't hear any voice. Okay, let me see. 3 shots. Is it down? Don't think so. Let me try again. Okay, the power of Daisy BB gun. Number 4.
Oh, I think it did. It works. I think something popped out.
Let's see. What the heck happened? Oh, it's broken.
Oh, it's broken already. Oh, okay.
No wonder. I was shooting. 5 shot or 6 shot. Okay. Now let's share the joyful moment here. Joyful moment. Hope you all can see this. 6 shot to 5 shot. Is it right now? Holy crap. Okay, let me take a little light. Okay, you can pick it up to let people see. Okay, we have a little light here. Little light. Lighting. Dim light. Can you see here?
No, not with the light. The light doesn't work on here.
Like this? Holy crap. It's broken in so many pieces.
It's good.
Yeah, Daisy Red Ryder. Hope you enjoy our video. Stay tuned for our future video. Bye bye.